Imagine the aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafting from a quaint cafe tucked away in your city. Now, how do we transform this sensory experience into a compelling digital narrative? Let's dive in. First, ensure your cafe has a strong online presence. This means a well-designed website, active social media accounts, and a Google My Business profile. Next, create engaging content. Show off your barista's latte art skills, share your chef's secret muffin recipe, or post a sneak peek of your cozy interiors. Don't forget to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, acknowledge feedback, and create a community around your cafe. Lastly, opt for targeted ads. Use the power of data to reach potential customers who love coffee as much as you do. Remember, digital marketing is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process, just like brewing the perfect cup of coffee. So, keep experimenting, keep innovating, and watch your cafe business flourish.